So guys, I'm back with Renault Megane 2, and as you see, it does not look good at all. One unexperienced girl just got driving lessons where it was like this, had the green light, and she made left turn and then just run into my corner. So as you see, maybe this probably is it about my fixing my Renault from my YouTube channel. Even though maybe it seems you can fix it and so on, like you see the tire is also smashed in. I don't know what's damaged there, but and probably this is also not the most worst thing ever. But you see the front frame, like for this, like opening and closing this space here. This used to be down there, so it's all pushed upwards and then smashed there. Lamps are broken and everything like that, and electricity, all the wirings, everything, it seems who knows what condition, might have some problems. You see there's like these wires destroyed, this lamp pushed upwards inside there. It's crazy. And even computer, everything here, yeah, totally damaged. So probably not be able to fix this one. Will not even try it because I don't have that much time. Well, it has been really nice years with this car. I have one more video where I haven't had much time to put everything together. How to replace front frame bushings. Was rather long and hard thing to do because you need to take all the front frame, and it's pretty busy thing and time consuming. But here you see it's like, looks like end of the story for this car. Probably won't get even enough money to buy something decent in place, so it's really sad from my side. Used to be so good car. This year actually went as well into the Switzerland. No problems there, up down mountains going, so really sad. And I hope those videos I made before will be good for you guys.